Hello everybody, my name is Sasha, this is Wendy, and today we're going to show you how to draw a toucan. First, we're going to need our paper. Next, we're going to need our pen. Thank you, Wendy. I love toucans. They are so much fun to draw. They're so fun to look at with their large beaks, so colorful and so many patterns. Let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is we're going to start towards the left side of our paper, or this side, and we're going to draw a nice big curved line around all the way to the bottom. Right? So start from the side. Nice big curved line all the way around, like so. So it's a big shape. Next, we're going to go ahead and finish up the beak and then put in our body. So this is a bit more of an organic shaped project. So if you're struggling a little bit, just practice. Just do it again and again and again until you get it the way you like it. We're going to start from the tip, and they've got really big, bulky beaks, so it's very thick, and it's about as big as their head. So let's go ahead and bring in another curved line. You want to leave some space. We're going to come in just a little bit for the neck, and we're going to come back out for a big, round, teardrop shape bottom. So come in, and then go back out nice, big and round for the body. What we're going to do next is go ahead and finish up our beak and our head so you can start seeing how this bird is shaped. So right in here, we're going to draw a nice lovely curved line. This divides our beak from our face. We'll put a little smile in, so we're going to do a slight curve. And then we're going to follow till we hit the tip of the beak. So if you want to, you can start here, bring your line in, and then curve up just a little bit to make him smile a little. We're going to put in some patterns in here, some areas that you can color in. Now, there are some where you can just do little stripes, and if that's easier and that's the one you like, go ahead and do so. I'm going to make mine a little bit different. And I'm going to put a section in here that can be of one color. I'm going to put in a little teardrop shape right here for another color. Clean up my lines. And then I'm going to bring one at the top of the beak for another color. Now, like I said, it doesn't have to look like this. You can do your own design. You can create whatever you like for your beak. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to start with the face. We're going to do a backwards C shape. So start towards the top, follow along the line, curve around for that C shape, all the way in. We're going to do another C shape backwards. We're going to start right where we started before, but this one's going to be smaller because this is where the eye is going to go in. Now we can put in a lovely little circle, or you can draw your eyes however you would like to. It's up to you. We're going to put in another little line right here, and this is going to divide the chest, the little sliver of chest you'll see, from the wings on the back of the bird. So right in here, we're going to draw a lovely little curved line, and then we can put a little pattern inside as well. And this is just little details that, again, they don't particularly matter, but it's just a little fun to add it in. Now let's go ahead and do our tail. We want to make sure that it stays on the paper for our project. If you want, you can always have it go off the paper. It's not a problem. You're going to start inside this shape towards the bottom on the right, and you're going to draw a lovely curved line away from your paper. We're going to do another one on the other side, and this time it's going to come out and up a little bit. So out and up a little wider because it's fanning out. His little tail feathers are fanning out. We're going to draw a lovely curved line right here. We're going to join them in with a little V shape. It's a very wide V shape. We'll go ahead and put one line going down the middle. And then we want to create this into something. We want to make this line into something. Otherwise it looks like it just kind of, it shouldn't be, that should be erased. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a couple little stripes. Like so. And if you want to, you can connect them and make them into something a little bit different. Make them into a pattern if you want to. We're going to bring a few lines down. Like so. So it looks like little feathers, individual little feathers with a pattern for coloring. And then what we're going to do next is right where this middle line is, we're going to do a nice lovely curved line that'll show the separation between one feather or one wing and another wing, but they're folded up on the back. Like this. Next we're going to draw in his little feet and then he's finished. So what we're going to do is right where this tail is, we're going to draw a curved line. We're going to move over a little bit and draw one more bump. This is the part that has all the feathering on it. These are the legs, and then his little feet stick out. So we're going to do two parallel lines. Same height. We're going to bring our pen over a little bit. We want a gap. We're going to do one toe, come back around for the back toe, and then you're going to draw one more above like this. And if you want to, you can put in little claws. And you're going to do the same thing on this one, but it might be overlapped, meaning part of it might be might disappear. So again, leave a gap in between. Come around for the back foot. You can do the little claw, come up a little bit, and do the other. And there we have our lovely little toucan. Thank you everybody for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you'll come back, share with your friends. But until next time, I'm Sosha. This is Wendy. Bye-bye.